a simple idea came a multi-million-dollar company, a well-built lighter that's guaranteed for life, period. That was the idea behind Zippo, and 60 years later, Zippo lighters continue that tradition of quality. The first Zippo lighters were developed during the middle of the Great Depression above this filling station in Bradford, Pennsylvania. Zippo was the creative brainchild of the company's founder, George Blaisdell, who started this company with 3 employees. Betty Ross, a Zippo employee for 45 years, remembers Blaisdell.
Oh, he was a superman. There's only one of a kind. He was kind and thoughtful. He was very friendly with everyone. He knew people on the name-to-name basis, and he was really concerned about the people. He's very nice. Couldn't be beat.
Perhaps that's the reason why Zippo has remained a family-owned company. It cares about the community and the people in it. It was only coincidence Zippo President Michael Schuler was hired the day George Blaisdell passed away in 1978. Even though Schuler keeps Zippo in tune with the times, he doesn't want to do it at the expense of the basic philosophy that made Zippo successful.
We try to have open communication with all our employees at all levels by having regular meetings with them, having many employee functions where they and their families can get involved, and to make it part of a Zippo family.
Over the years, Zippo grew. Next to letters from home, Zippo lighters were the most coveted possession by servicemen in World War II. Since then, Zippo lighters have been in Korea, Vietnam, and the Persian Gulf because of their reliability. Although many things have changed in the last 60 years, the basic Zippo lighter has not. For one simple reason, it works. To make sure it continues to work, Zippo doesn't scrimp on materials. The company stamps its cases from brass. All components are made in-house. Although the parts could be shipped to foreign countries to be assembled, Zippo lighters are 100% made in the USA. Zippo trademark and a code for dating is embossed on the bottom of each lighter. It's one of the little things that have made Zippo a rage for collectors. Some of these lighters that sold for $1 now bring over $100. Whether or not it's worth $100, it's like baseball cards, a matter of opinion. However, should that Zippo lighter or any Zippo product break for any reason, Zippo guarantees they will fix it or replace it free of charge.
Well, the lifetime guarantee is probably one of the most important aspects of this company. The word-of-mouth communication of goodwill for every one of our customers that has had their lighters repaired is immeasurable in dollars and cents.
That goodwill costs Zippo nearly $250,000 every year. Thousands of lighters are sent back to Zippo every year for repair. 7 out of 10 times, it's just a matter of replacing the hinges. However, there are some things that just cannot be fixed. After all, even a Zippo lighter can't stand up to a logging truck or a road roller. The only expense to the customer is the postage to send the lighter to Zippo. The tab for the parts and labor are picked up by Zippo, who even pays for the return postage. In spite of the fact smoking is on the decline in this country, Zippo continues to grow. For example, Zippo lighters with corporate logos are popular promotional handouts, employee awards, and sales incentives. In addition, Zippo also sells a number of other quality products that can be imprinted with any trademark, symbol, or message. These also carry the Zippo guarantee. If it doesn't work, we'll fix it free. As for Zippo's future, the production can't keep up with the demand right now, and with trade barriers coming down, things in Bradford are looking up.
We see our growth coming in two areas. First, we see additional countries coming on board that will be selling Zippo products. Countries such as Russia, China, and also areas of the world like South Central and Latin America. In addition, we are introducing new products. The new products will help the growth from these other countries and will also help to stimulate growth in our current countries.
Zippo lighters are part of Americana. Zippo is one of the little things you can count on for life.
like it. That man has a Zippo, the lighter that always lights with one zip. Yes, one zip and Zippo is lit. Try the fan test. Prove Zippo's windproof action. Get a Zippo and light up with pleasure. If you want a light, but you zip, 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 you'll light up with pleasure when you take this tip. Get yourself a Zippo and you will see how one zip lights it so unfailingly. If you want a light, but you zip, 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 you'll light up with pleasure when you take this tip. Get yourself a Zippo and you will see how one zip lights it so unfailingly. If you want a light, but you zip, 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 you'll light up with pleasure when you take this tip. Get yourself a Zippo and you will see how one zip lights it so unfailingly. Try the fan test. Prove how Zippo lights with a zip, even in wind. Yes, get a Zippo and light up with pleasure. Got a light for the lady? What? Just zip, zip, zip? Ah, but one zip does it with Zippo. Yes, Zippo lighters light with one zip, even in wind or rain. Try the fan test. Prove Zippo's windproof action. Get a Zippo and light up with pleasure. Great gifts come in small packages. The slim chrome Zippo, $4.75. It works. Great gifts come in small packages. The slim design Zippo, $6. It works. Great gifts come in small packages. Sterling silver Zippo, $17. It works. Great gifts come in small packages. Colorful Zippo sports model, $4.75. It works. Great gifts come in small packages. Brush finish chrome Zippo, $3.50. It works. I'll blow your house in. I'll blow your lighter out too.
No, you won't. It's a Zippo, the lighter that's really windproof. Zippo always lights with a zip, even in wind or rain.
See the beautiful Zippo models at your dealers, a gift that never fails.
Zippo lighter collecting is a popular, fast-growing hobby. Collectors number in the thousands and have formed clubs to share their interest. In 1992, Zippo's first annual limited edition, the 60th anniversary commemorative lighter, was received with enthusiasm by collectors. The Midnight Chrome lighter, featuring a pewter medallion, was presented in a special collector's tin. The 1993 limited edition depicted Wendy, the Varga girl who was featured in Zippo's first national advertisement in 1937. The 1993 collector's lighter showcased Wendy in a two-surface pewter emblem. Wendy was also pictured on the lid of the collectible tin. In honor of the 50th anniversary of D-Day, the 1994 limited edition is displayed in a collector's tin decorated with D-Day graphics. The lighter replicates the legendary World War II black crackle finish and is emblazoned with a three-dimensional antique brass emblem patterned after the shoulder patch worn by Allied troops.
Well, I think of the commemorative lighters we've done before, this one probably is the closest to the heart of Zippo. Zippo was really put on the map in the Second World War. We're a product that is very authentic because our lighters were carried by the GIs when they were over in Europe as part of the invasion. And I feel strongly that it was really the GIs using our lighter, proving their dependability in wartime conditions, and then coming home from the war, carrying those lighters and the stories that they meant to them and the sentimental value that spread the Zippo story throughout the United States and the world.
The Zippo D-Day limited collector's edition is available only through the end of 1994. Like every one of the more than 300 million windproof lighters produced since 1932, the entire family of fine Zippo products is backed by the world-famous Zippo Lifetime Guarantee, our promise that if any Zippo product ever fails to work, we'll fix it free.